Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about Geography Chapter 1, India, Size and Location. Now we are going to learn about India and the world, Suez Canal, India's neighbors, provinces and princely states. Before entering to that concept, we will discuss about the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India. Let us recall the size and location of India. See, what do you know about India? India is located in the northern hemisphere. It is situated in the southern part of Asia. Thus, it has a favorable location with respect to international trade and commerce. See, the mainland of India extends between 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north. This is the latitudinal extent of India. Let us discuss about the longitudinal extent of India. The longitudinal starts from 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minutes east. Students, you know, the Tropic of Cancer divides the country into almost two equal parts. You can see the Tropic of Cancer usually crosses the Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. See, the Lakshadweep island groups lies in the southwest of India. The Andaman and Nicobar Island lies in the southeast of India. See, the southernmost point of the Indian Union is known as Indra Point. The total geographical area of the landmass of India is 3.28 million square kilometer. The country has a land boundary of about 15,200 kilometer. And the total length of the coastline of the mainland including Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep is 7,516.6 km. See, from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a time lag of 2 hours. Indian Standard Time measured at 82.5 degree longitude. Moving on to understand India and the world. India occupies the greater part of South Asia. It has a central location between East and the West Asia. Let us understand the Indian landmass has a central location between East and West Asia. The Trans-Indian Ocean routes which connects the countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia provide a central location to India. See, the Deccan Plateau protrudes into the Indian Ocean, helping India to establish close contact with West Asia, Africa and Europe from the western coast and with Southeast and East Asia from the eastern coast. Moving on to understand Suez Canal. Due to opening of Suez Canal in 1869, India's distance from Europe has been reduced by 7,000 km. Let us discuss about India's contact with the world. See, India's contact with the world have continued through the ages, but its relationship through the land routes are much older than its maritime contacts. These routes have contributed to the exchange of ideas and commodities from ancient times. The ideas of the Upanishads and the Ramayana, the story of the Panchtantra, Indian numerals and the decimal systems thus could reach many parts of the world. The ideas of the Upanishads and the Ramayana, the stories of the Panchtantra, Indian numerals and the decimal systems thus could reach many parts of the world. See, not only this, apart from that, spices, muslin and other merchandise were taken from India to different countries. On the other hand, the influence of Greek sculpture and the architectural styles of dome and minarets from West Asia can be seen in different parts of our country. Students, now we are going to discuss about political divisions. At the time of independence, India was divided into 562 small princely states. Today, India is a union of 29 states and 9 union territories, including the National Capital Territory of Delhi. The present division of India into states and union territories is mostly on the basis of languages spoken by the people. The states and union territories are administrative units. The states are further divided into districts and tehsils. Rajasthan is the largest state while Goa is the smallest state. Rajasthan is the largest state while Goa is the smallest state. Do you know one thing? Uttar Pradesh has the largest number of districts and also the highest population. Uttar Pradesh has the largest number of districts and also the highest population. Let us discuss about newly created union territories and states. See, our students, already you know, Telangana became the 29th state of India on 2nd June 2014. Newly created union territories are Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Moving on to understand provinces and the princely state. What do you mean by provinces? Students, before 1947, there were two types of states in India, the provinces and the princely states. Provinces were ruled by the British officials who were appointed by the Viceroy. Provinces were ruled by the British officials who were appointed by the Viceroy. Princely states were ruled by local hereditary rulers who acknowledged sovereignty in return for local autonomy. Princely states were ruled by local hereditary rulers who acknowledged sovereignty in return for local autonomy. Moving on to understand neighbors of India. Neighbors of India. India has two types of neighbors. The country which shared land boundaries with India and also which are connected with the waterways. The country which shared land boundaries with India and also which are connected with the waterways. India shares its land boundaries with Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest. India shares its land boundaries with Pakistan, Afghanistan in the northwest. China, Nepal, Bhutan in the north. Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. Students, you know, two island countries known as Sri Lanka and Maldives lie to the south of India across the Indian Ocean. All these countries are part of the Indian subcontinent. See, India and Sri Lanka are separated by the Pak Strait and Gulf of Mannar, while Maldives lie to the south of Lakshadweep. Thus, India has strong geographical and historical links with its neighbors. Let us recall all the important points in this lesson. India lies in the northern hemisphere. India is divided into two equal parts by Tropic of Cancer. In terms of size, India is the 7th largest country of the world. India has a land boundary of about 15,200 km. The landmass of India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer. You know, the southernmost point of the Indian Union is called Indira Point. The standard meridian of India is 82 degree 30 minutes east. The Suez Canal was opened in 1869. The Suez Canal was opened in 1869. See, the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of the mainland is about 30 degree. India has 29 states and 9 union territories. That means India has comprised of 29 states and 9 union territories. Rajasthan is the largest state, while Goa is the smallest state. India has strong geographical and historical links with its neighboring countries like, name the neighboring countries: Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Maldives.